This monitor here is basically broken, and what's happening is these buttons aren't functioning and the screen isn't flipping up. So I did some research online, and I guess the most common thing is for one of the gears in this thing to break. So I'm gonna take this thing out and see what the heck is going on. So in order to do that, we're gonna pop this top trim here, and I'm not sure if it's necessary, but we might have to remove these vents as well as the radio. So let's dive right into it. And I just hope none of these BMW brittle plastics break on me. This one came out with no drama and no broken tabs. Did somebody go in here already? I don't see any screws here. How interesting. Yeah, this thing is completely loose. What the heck? Alright, we're gonna start popping some tabs here. There's this metal tab here, I'm not sure how well you can see it, but I'm gonna press it down gently. Okay, this is gonna be hard to do while holding this camera here. Alright, I popped the tabs and gently got this to come out. Keyword gentle. BMW plastics. Don't be too aggressive with them. Okay, so here's what we have. We have these two tabs on the bottom that lock in. Tab number 1, tab number 2, and the ones that I popped with the screwdriver and my plastic tool. These two guys here. And that's how this thing is held in. I might as well just remove the CD player as well, just to give myself more access. It's just held down here by these two screws, so it shouldn't be too complicated. Okay. Alright, we have our center cutters inside here, so go ahead and pop it up. Alright, so we got the radio out, and this is how it pops out. See, like there's this little lock here. This is a locked position, and to get it out you just unlock it, and it's kind of hard to do with one hand here. So this screen is almost ready to come out. I try to push it up and it's held by something up front. So I believe these two screws, this one here, that one there, are what's holding it in. Let's see. Alright, now that the screws are out, I think the screen is ready to come out. Yes. There's some kind of a harness. Aha. I see it. So there's some wiring obviously coming out of this unit. It's like this fat wire here, right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect that, and this piece should just pull out. Alright, success. I got this thing out, and unfortunately I had to report that whoever worked on this before is a blithering idiot. And this is always worrying, because like if you have two left hands, don't work on these cars. I don't know how they managed to break these things off. They probably just try to pry on this thing to get it out. I'm surprised it's not completely broken. Well, this connector is what needed to be disconnected. It's way inside the dash. See, there's a little lock here. You just pop that out and it disconnects, and then you can just pull the unit out. And I can already see trouble. I mean, look at this thing. It's all wobbly, cracked. Basically I'm gonna see if I can plastic weld it, and then I'm gonna run some power to it and see if it actually works at all. Alright, but this is how you get this unit out anyway, so hopefully the video helped with that. So moving on.